We bought the house in 2006. We could see a lot of potential in it. The house was in a state of disrepair, really. Weatherboards were rotten in places and it was quite damp. The property, it's in like a little bit of a bowl, and so we wanted to put skylights in. Because the trees and the property is higher on the sort of the northern aspect, by adding in the skylights we just get a lot more light in. VELUX is great. They're a sort of a household name, I suppose, in the industry here. The innovation with their skylights, the solar panels on them, the rain sensors, just the visual transformation of the house with the renovations, it's just given the house a new lease of life. Just modernised it while keeping the old tradition of it, and we absolutely love it. I've got two girls, Katie and Sophie. They're both college age. When we first moved into the property, we noticed because being damp and dark, their health sort of started to be impacted by the damp, by the mould. So a big drive in renovating was to insulate it, to make it healthy. Just being able to open up the skylights when we're out for the day just allows that ventilation into the house. We've definitely noticed an improvement in the kids' health. Not as many trips to the doctor, just healthy living, family time.
Lovely home to come home to. It's light and it's bright, and you can sit in the evening when everybody's gone to bed and you can look up at the curry tree, you can see the moon rising. It's a nice, comfortable space. To be able to get up, open the skylights, especially sort of in the warmer summer months, let out any hot air and just live comfortably. We are very, very lucky.